This is the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle. It's a very nice heavy-duty case. You see right here, you got the drop protection, MIL military standard. It's pretty solid for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's unbox this and take a look inside what we get. Here we go, open it up. And this is a really big heavy-duty case, so it's not your slim case. You're looking for good protection when you look at the SUPCASE. Boom! Oh wow! Look at that. It's solid. And there we go. It's a belt case, so you can clip this onto your belt, and you can quickly remove this, and this is what your phone attaches to. And inside right here, you see there is a screen protector included. So this is the protector for the screen protector. This out right here. Okay, here. So here we go. Take out the case. Just kind of peel around, and we'll peel around here. Wow, look at that. The case is really well encased inside, right? So you have all the protection, and then here's the inside cover. And we have a protective film right here, so we're gonna peel this film off. Wow! And then I got my phone right here. There we go. So this one right here is gonna attach onto the top of the phone, just like this. And it has a cutout for all the buttons for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here we go. Put it on here, and then we'll slide onto the other side. Over here. Looks good. So it snaps on. So this is the upper case. And then now you can slide this into the main case. You see how you have the buttons right there? It will push onto these buttons. So very good protection everywhere. This is like the best protection you can get for your phone. You can literally throw this in the air, it'll fall down and it'll be just fine. And you have the opening right here for your battery and your speaker. Oh yeah, that's very solid. And once you close in, here we go. You close it up and it's solid. So there we go, there's your case. You have the kickstand here. You lock it in place and you can use it like this and put into your belt holster this way too, like that. And this one can turn on however you want to attach it to your belt. So there we go. This is the SUPCASE Beetle Pro. Oh yeah, good stuff right there.